to my channel, and it is so good to have you. It is so good to have you, and thank you for joining me once again. My name is Ido Francis, and I'm here to share with you the tips I'm going to be using for this winter stroke Harmattan season that we're currently in. You know, when it comes to this season, you really need to up your hair game. You really need to change your hair regimen. You really need to switch things up. You really need to double your effort, because if you don't, the hair is definitely going to start breaking. So for that, I have here the aloe vera gel that I actually prepared, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this aloe vera gel for yourself. Hello, so what we'll be needing is a fresh aloe vera plant. The aloe vera is actually very good, and this is what I will be using as far as this Harmattan is concerned. If you are in a country where you're having winter already, please go and look for fresh aloe vera, because at this period our hair is definitely going to be so dry because of the change of weather. Now the air is actually so dry, so any product you put in your hair will definitely dry off. What I'm gonna do first of all is to cut this particular part off. Then I'm gonna go further to dice my aloe vera into smaller portions to extract this aloe vera gel. So you could see what I'm doing. Just watch me carefully. For me, this is the best way to extract the aloe vera gel. Then you turn to the other side, hold it, you can see, then put your knife very close to the grainy part of it. Yeah, be careful. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, so I've actually finished extracting the aloe vera gel. So what I'm actually going to do next is to put this in my blender, blend everything all up until it's liquid. Then I'm going to show you how to sieve the aloe vera gel out. Okay, so after blending, I have this cheesecloth. I'm just going to pour the gel in. Then what I have now, okay, so I'm just gonna turn this into my so this is where the spray bottle becomes important. So I'm just gonna turn everything into my spray bottle. Okay, I have this little left. I'm not gonna waste that. Voila, your aloe vera gel is ready. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use this on your hair. Okay, so basically let me tell you how I use it, because I think it might help you as well. So what I do is that in the morning I apply this, spray the whole thing on my hair before I have my bath, then tie my towel in it, and by the time I pull it out, my hair is actually still very wet and actually moisturized. And at night before I shower, I repeat the same process. Once I finish shower, I remove the towel and I'll just put on my satin bonnet and off the way I go. That is actually very simple. You can just make this, and if you want to buy the spray bottle, I'm also reselling the spray or the split bottle at the same time. This goes for 1,000 naira. If you want to convert it to dollars, $1 is equal to 360 naira. I'm going to be leaving the rate in the comment section and in the description box down below. So basically that is what I have for this video, and thank you so much for watching up to this point, and I'm gonna see you in my next video real quick. This is lovely.